In 2025, Toyota introduced a remarkable addition to its lineup, the Toyota Land Cruiser Mini. This compact SUV seamlessly blends the ruggedness and reliability of the iconic Land Cruiser with the convenience and agility of a smaller vehicle, making it an appealing choice for urban adventurers and off-road enthusiasts alike. The Toyota Land Cruiser Mini retains the classic design cues of its larger siblings, with a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and robust body lines that exude strength and durability. Despite its compact size, the Mini boasts a commanding presence on the road, capturing the essence of the Land Cruiser heritage. Its compact dimensions make it ideal for navigating tight city streets while retaining the ability to tackle rough terrains with ease. Under the hood, the Land Cruiser Mini is powered by a range of efficient yet powerful engines, including a hybrid option that combines a gasoline engine with electric motors. This hybrid powertrain not only delivers impressive fuel economy but also provides ample power for both city driving and off-road adventures. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction and stability, making it capable of handling various driving conditions. Inside, the Land Cruiser Mini offers a comfortable and well-appointed cabin with premium materials and modern technology. The interior design focuses on functionality and comfort, with spacious seating for up to 5 passengers. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen display, intuitive controls, and connectivity options such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, enhance safety and convenience. The Land Cruiser Mini's off-road capabilities are a testament to Toyota's commitment to producing rugged and reliable vehicles. It comes equipped with features like a multi-terrain select system, hill descent control, and a locking rear differential, allowing drivers to confidently explore challenging landscapes. The compact size also makes it easier to maneuver through narrow trails and tight spaces, adding to its versatility. Toyota has also emphasized sustainability with the Land Cruiser Mini. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Mini prioritizes safety, incorporating advanced features to ensure the well-being of its occupants. Central to its safety suite is the latest Toyota Safety Sense package, which includes a range of In terms of pricing, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Mini is positioned as a premium offering in the compact SUV segment. The base model starts at a competitive price point, reflecting its high-quality build and extensive features.